Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is up 15 cents, 1.37%. We closed at 11.11. Post-market, we were down by 8 cents at 11.03. So what is happening? Pretty much everything is falling down, but Palantir is going up. So the reason appears to be from a news right here. Let me show you. Morgan Stanley upgraded their price target for Palantir. So they have lowered the price target from $24 to 16. So this should have been bad news, but they also mentioned that they upgraded the software stock to equal weight from underweight. So underweight means that they were expecting the stock to behave worse than the index, S&P or some other index. And now they are considering Palantir to be able to perform as well as the index. Although they lowered the price target from 24 to 16, which is a bad news, they think that the stock will be at least as good as the indices. Whoop-de-doo. So just because of this is having an impact on the stock. So we are up a little bit. But if we look at the graphic, if we look at the chart, and we don't really like to only look at numbers, we need to look at the chart. If we look at the chart, this is not looking super good. It's still a red candle. We still have a longer wick at the top showing that the sellers won that little match. And we also caved in under this resistance right here. So the resistance has been followed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So we tried to break it and we came back down. Whoop-de-doo for the analysts, but the stock is pretty much still going down. We are staying above the support at $11. So that's the only thing that's good. We made a lower high, but we made a higher low. So that's the only thing that's good, but I cannot wait to see what is going to happen tomorrow. If we break $11 tomorrow, then we could be going down to the nines. We have this support, this ultimate support. So this is the lowest the stock has ever been at 904. So this is where that support is. We have just above this decreasing channel support right here. We could stop at 940 something, depending on when we touch it. We could be anywhere from 943 to 904. This is where the stock might be headed if we break $11. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. So the first candle of the day was a nice bump up. So we gapped on the 1 hour chart. So nice bump up right here. Went sideways a little bit. Tried to break the resistance on the first hour. Could not. Then went and almost touched support here and then started getting higher. And look again. We tried to break it, broke it during that hour a little bit, but came back down. Tried the same thing on the second hour, tried the same thing again, but came back down. And now we finished pretty much down. And as I mentioned, did we break 60 on the stochastic? No. So this is why it did not go over. I have my doubt that we can keep $11, but we'll see. I don't act on what I think might happen. I act when it happens. So if we break 11, then this is going to be a sell signal. Going back to the daily chart, so let's look at our indicators. So how are they faring? So stochastic at 30, MACD still broke over bullish, and RSI also on the increasing strength trend. We'll see what it means. So tomorrow, let's look at $11. This is going to be very exciting to look at. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.